So over here, you can see that I got 3 Google Classrooms right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete out a particular classroom. So in that case, let's say, for example, I want to delete out this test classroom right here. You can go around over here and click on the 3-dot button, and then you need to go around and archive the class first right here. So once you do that, what happens is that the class is archived, and then you can go around onto the archive class to see this particular class right here. So I can go ahead over here and then restore this, but I also have an option to actually delete this class for good. But mind that once you delete out a classroom, you won't be able to access any of its data in the future. So I'm just going to go around and click on delete over here and click on delete. And what happens is that the class will be deleted for good, and I won't be able to access out the data of it once and for all. So if I were to go around over here, then this is what you have. As you can see, you got the 2 classes, but on the archive classes, you don't have any other classes right here. That is because we deleted out the test class for good. And that is how you can go around and permanently delete out class inside of Google Classroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.